Welcome back. So this is part 2 of driving around Bellingham, Washington, because it's a lot bigger than I thought. And I don't want to make this 40 minutes long. Wow, there's a neat old building there. It says 1892 on it. I wonder if it's the courthouse. Or like the county admin building or something. Jeez. Looks like I need to do a loop around this. Everything was behind me. Was a weird turn. I almost didn't know if I was supposed to be on that. This looks like it'd be some fun restaurants here for sure. So to the right, that's the street I want to be on. Mount Baker, that building says. Speeding down this street, jeez. Yeah, there's a lot here. There's a lot of stuff here. And too many stoplights. Tons of restaurants though. I can't believe how big their downtown is. I mean, there's a lot of stuff. It's better than Olympia, Washington, which is the capital, in my opinion. It's way more impressive. There's just a ton of stuff here. And it looks pretty historic, too, some of the stuff. Oh wow, brewing company. We'll have to make a walking video here. Magnolia Court. I really like how they painted that old building. I should have turned right there. Shoot. Oh, this is the York neighborhood. Established 1888. So this main drag is East Holly Street, it looks like. I can't believe all the restaurants here. I mean, they got every kind imaginable. There's a food co-op. I like those places. Makes me wonder if it's like the one in Tacoma. Yeah, this place, this is just massive. I mean, there's a lot going on here. This West Chestnut looks like the other main street. Not as nice as the one I came down on. I think that was the main drag. East Holly Street, it looks like. Oh, there's a wood fire pizza place on the left. Looks fun. Should have went one more block. Nan and Brew. Oh my god, that looks like a fun place. It's an Indian place, and they must have tons of beer. If I'm interpreting Naan correctly, N-A-A-N. So I'm not sure where Western Washington University is in relation to all this. Buddy, why aren't you moving? He was sleeping. He gave me the wave for not honking at him. Oh, this looks pretty significant. There's a lot of stuff down this street. Wow, this is really neat. So this is like one of the main drags too. Something called Red Light there. definitely a lot of newer development though in this area, it looks like. Condos or apartments. The views are awesome. Oh, which way? So I'm not sure where that road goes to the right. It might be a park. I don't think it... Oh, nope. For a second I thought I should have taken it. Not sure there's a way out if I would have went down that hill. So we're on Boulevard Street. And we will end this video at Chuckanut Drive, it looks like. And head back south. And they even have on the wall there an arrow pointing straight ahead that says Chuckanut Drive. That's how popular it is. Wow, there's a nice trail along the bluff on the right. Oh, I think it's part of Boulevard Park, it looks like. Alright, so the houses to my left up on the hill look really nice. So this might be where the really rich people live, on the south side of town. We need to bring our bikes up here, I think, and bike around here. Ah, this is Fairhaven. Old Fairhaven. Oh, I think this is the historic part of town. Like the really old part. I had no idea this even existed. We're gonna go right here and check it out. Oh yeah, this looks really neat. Actually, we can go straight. Let's go left. Oh yeah, this is the place to come. Alright, what is this truck doing? this is really neat. There's super historic stuff here. This reminds me of like Breckenridge or something. Wow. Oh, I bet this is super pretty in the for Christmas, and they have all the lights up. It's like the place to live if you want an apartment or a condo. I mean, that would be amazing. I'm not sure what's down this way. It's a dead end, but I want to check it out. Alright, we need to turn around here. Yeah, there's a lot going on here. I'm a little overwhelmed. For sure. Oh, there's an Alaska ferry right here to the left. Oh, it's the terminal. I did not know that. It was in this area. So there's a marine park if you kept going straight. We don't have time to see that today. Fat pie pizza. Oh my god, that sounds awesome. Actually, we want to go straight. This place is really neat. You could get fat here. Well, I think we're gonna find a spot to pull over. That was part 2 of Bellingham. And I need to have some food, I think.